So this is where I left the last one. I said the statue. Donald Duck. Glasgow Road Console. John Lewis. Buchanan Galleries. Let's start here, walk down. I don't think there'll be as many places shot this road as there was the last road. I hope not anyway. Let's have a look. So we're walking down Buchanan Street here. Don't know how the sun's going to be with that camera. Let's have a look. Oh. You don't have to get it. I'm not complaining about the sun, you don't have to get it here. Buchanan Galleries, that's still quite a few shops in there still open. I don't think anything's shot in there. Victoria's Secrets. Not very secretive, is it? It's pink and all that. And oh, I need some Skechers. Slip-ins, where are they? Where's Skechers, please? Sorry. This is new Skechers for my holiday. I'm waiting new trainers for a year. H&M, I think that's still going. Buchanan Street subway. Yep, still going. Hard Rock Cafe, that should still be going as well. That's just down here. Yeah, get some Scottish souvenirs over here. Tartan House of Scotland, and that one next door has not got a name. Thai place is quite good, but obviously not like proper Thai food in Thailand. But it's not bad, but it's quite pricey. And so pizzas, come to the Pizza Amaron restaurant. There's your prices. That's what you pay these days for a pizza. Let's have a look. 15 quid. 14.95. Obviously dearer than that, I guess. Depends what size it is. Where's the Apple shop? The Apple shop's here somewhere. We've got the Provision in there. Don't think so. It's not out in Britain yet. Let's keep on walking down. Hope you're enjoying this video. Let's get in the middle. Hopefully it's widescreen enough so you can see both sides. My anxiety hasn't kicked in yet, no, I seem to be talking. Here's the Apple shop. Look at the size of that. Proves how much money they make for an Apple product and keep that open. Let's cross over St Vincent Place, Buchanan Street.
I was running after passing the road.
Put my hands in my pockets, it's been cold. Everyone must look at me thinking, who's he talking to? The camera's on the front of me. Next generation of smart glasses. Here we go. Have they got camera? Have they got a camera on them? They have, haven't they? Look at this. Big camera attached to them. You can film while you're walking along. Just like I am, but they're on sunglasses. The problem is if we did that in Scotland, we'd be walking around long and rainy. In the rain all the time. I might get a pair of them for Thailand. How much are they? Started from $2.99. Go online, have a look. Go to Temu, get the cheaper version. Just wear my sunglasses and film at the same time. That'd be awesome. I wonder what resolution they do. I'm going to have a look at that. TGI Fridays. I mean, it's a TFI Fridays. TGI. Guy playing drums. Not many of them. I don't think he's going to make much money doing that. Good luck to him. Yeah, shops seem open down here. Just in soppy all streets. Nightmare. Just as I speak, shops are open. Here's some shot shops. Shot happens. Shot happens. Langs, whatever that is, that's a shop. Actually, I want to walk to Princess Square. I think I've got to take a left up here. Somewhere. Fraser's, that's still open. Nobody in there. Guy Arcade. Is that the one? I think that's the one. I think I'm getting Princess Square that way. Let's have a look. To go and meet somebody. I'm going to meet a couple of girls in Tinderbox. Let's see if we can get this way. So I'm not used to walking to places to go. I think I can get Princess Square this way. Is it Princess Square you call it? Yeah, I think so. This is full of jewellery and watches. Watch Street looks of it, this one. You must sell them because they're open. Oh, maybe it's not the it doesn't look like it is the right place. Let's keep going. Let's go up to the next one. Yeah. Living in Scotland about 30 years now. I've got about 10 and still got to find the right road. It's on before that, but I can get in this way down there. We're on Glasgow Street now. Everyone's up there, don't know what that's there anymore.
Personally, I'll take the grand
R.I.P. Glasgow. Oh dear. Alright, let's go up here. I know you can get into Princess Square this way. Long way around, but never mind. I'm in no rush. Hi Mark. Another one. They seem to be busy anyway. There's a trick shop. I thought that would have disappeared by now. Boom boom. Is it up this wee street? Nah. It's getting quite warm in this afternoon now. I think mine is flipping free, but it's getting warm with an apple. Packed with an H. Oh, here we go. Yeah, taking my hat off. Got a left here, and that's where I think Princess Square is. A couple of ladies there looking at me thinking, who's he talking to? Well, I'm talking to you lot, and this is the best I've been talking up to now since I've been doing vlogging for 3 years. Today is the time I felt fine. And who's this guy? I used to know someone called Graham Ward. Well, this looks like him. We think it could well be. He brought his peacock. Hey, so this is Princess Square. Let's get in there. Alright, Tinderbox, what number? Level 2. Level 2, so let's go. I hope you enjoyed that walkabout in Glasgow. A couple of videos. Watch the one before this, Buchanan Street. Look how it all shut down. And keep following, subscribe for more videos from Glasgow and beyond. Just an extra little bit going up the lift. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.